How to delete manual update in the ECDIS 9201 GRC. So go to menu, go to chart setting, then manual update, then yes, then just switch off for the moment this one, then select chart. Where did you plot the manual update? For example, this one, if you can see this manual update, so select this chart. This you must know the chart. So this one, for example, PT11101. So then okay, then if you can see here, then you can right click the object, then underwater wash rack, then just select delete or remove. So we will remove, so that it will not show here already in our ECDIS. So we will remove this object. You see it's already removed. Then just save. Then after that one, close. So that's all how to delete the manual update on this ECDIS GRC 9201. Thank you.